and runners away. From the center, Summers back is away alertly and right to the early lead. From the high draw, Fancy Malka tries to drop over, and here's Just Like Keiki moving to challenge. Maryland Invader, Just Like Keiki, puts ahead in front of Summers back, who's racing second. Sakar is taken in hand to be third. In between horses and a bit keen is Naughty Humor, then it's Fancy Malka. That's a gap of 2 to the favorite Lier de Montagne. Fancy Malka was just spun out very, very wide there by a wide-running Naughty Humor. Down to the inside, Polly My Love avoided that early trouble. Toward the inside of her is Petite Lapine. Then it's another length and a half back to Lucky Litigator with Tartaletta, who's 3.5 in front of Biamonte. And last of all early, the early trailer is Starship Expresso. Down the backstretch they go after the initial quarter went in 23 and 1. With the lead, it's Just Like Keiki, 3 parts of a length. Lier de Montagne now races along second. Summers back is third. Sakar is fourth. Toward the outside, Petite Lapine is fifth. Polly My Love is next. In between horses, that's Fancy Malka, 2.5 lengths to Lucky Litigator. And they kick to the far turn after a 48 and 1/2 mile. Lier de Montagne just took the lead. Lier de Montagne took the lead, and Summers back was shuffled off heels. So now they chase the race time favorite as they run around the far turn. Sakar comes under pressure between horses but begins to gain into it. Just Like Keiki down to the inside and Petite Lapine on the outside. 3/4, 113 flat, and they're on their way home. Lier de Montagne shaken up for the drive here by Edgar Prado and responds with a 3-length lead. Just Like Keiki is second. Summers back improves down inside. A wide running coming from Polly My Love. Late run from Biamonte in deep stretch. It's Lier de Montagne. A wrapped up winner. Give Antonio Sano another one. He's a 3-length winner in the end. Just Like Keiki second. It's a 3-way go for third. The photo is between Polly My Love, Summers back, and a rolling Biamonte. 137 and 2, the running time.